Hello, hello my dear friends. So today we'll learn about how to do shading with a perfection and make sure it will be detailed shading. So I hope you like this video. By 3 pencil we can make different types of shading also. Basically tools में आपको पेंसिल ज़रूरत होगी, फिर इरेजर and scale or nothing much. So take a pencil of your choice. I will take this pencil. I take 3B pencil and put this side. So just take a simple drawing paper, simple size, not a make more thick, in your daily use, whatever it is. So let's start our shading. I will teach you how to do shading and how to do basic shading and different type of shading also. Like dark to light, light to dark, means whole dark, whole light, like that. First we'll discuss about dark to light, because why dark to light? Everyone have a question about this. Yeah, this is basic, no? So why will, because it has some benefit for this, because benefit is just that dark to light have less hard work as compared to dark light to dark. Okay, so basically हम dark to light ही बनाते हैं daily uses में. Okay, so take some like cloth and put here, because your maybe this is summer, so your sweat will damage your painting. Okay, let's start. फर्स्ट विल डिस्कस अबाउट बेसिक सर्कल. जो सर्कल होता है वो सिंपली हम यूज़ करते हैं पेंसिल से, लाइक मेक इट दिस लाइक दिस वट एवर इट इज. बट हियर जस्ट मेक श्योर योर पेंसिल from needle to some 2 centimeter gap, hold it here. Okay, because this hold is very great. Like you can refer to Pablo Picasso, so many painters are there, MF Hussein, you can take refer. Okay, like start. So we'll discuss about dark to light painting like this. Just push it some with pressure, some pressure, not much, like this, and make some circle. Don't worry about more big or small, don't worry, just make it. जस्ट मेक श्योर इट के वो सिर्फ लाइन में आए, ऐसे नहीं टेढ़े वेढ़े यहाँ बना दिया तो क्या परफेक्ट नहीं हो पाएगा. Like this you can make so many circle. So like this you can make. So now for your 5 line I have make with the dark circle. Now make as a simple and press it, not more, like this, just simple circle, not more press, just simple. Yeah, like this. एंड एक बात याद रखिए फ्रेंड्स, जो है आप शेडिंग को ऐसे मीन्स फास्ट नहीं कर सकते, थोड़ा उसमें शांति से पेशेंस रख के करना पड़ता है. परफेक्शन चाहिए तो परफेक्शन दिखाना भी पड़ता है थोड़ा. लाइक दिस फ्रेंड विल कवर अप लाइक हियर, फ्रॉम हियर अप टू हियर. like this same here also. make as a circle. Last you will get some new painting, not painting, shading drawing. This shading you can use in your sketches, more over hair, like so many people have hair like this, curly hair, yeah, you know, yeah, like this. So like this, make it here also. You can learn by practice only. Last thing, so we have make here some dark part, some light part, more light part will come here. So you have to not, you just like this smoothly, yeah, like this. Whoa, so smooth, so smooth. जस्ट मेक इट एज अ सर्कल, दिखना चाहिए कि ये सर्कल है, होना नहीं चाहिए वैसे. हम थोड़ा फास्ट कीजिए करेंगे. प्लीज मेक श्योर नॉट टू स्क्रिबल एनी मोर सर्कल लाइक हियर हियर, मन हुआ तो यहाँ कर दिया वहाँ कर दिया, नॉट लाइक दिस. विथ दिस परफेक्ट सर्कल इन लाइट पेंसिल. ओके, सो फ्रेंड्स, हमने ये पेंसिल बदली नहीं अभी तक, वही पेंसिल रखी है. यू कैन इमेजिन. like this we can make. So friends, we have seen with a circle shading, you can see dark to light, dark to light. Just put one side dark, dark, light, 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 like that. You can see here more perspective. Okay, so last you just take one scale and put here box dark, dark pencil. You can see how I make, because this dark pencil will make your painting more good. Okay, like this. So here you can see first box with a circle. Okay, now we'll discuss about second. Here we will make like shade pencil with a line. You have to just discuss about from here you have to dark, from here you have to dark, from here you have to dark. You have to decide from where. I will dark it here. Put here scale, because this will make painting good. Okay, like this. So क्या आपका पेंटिंग बिगड़ेगा नहीं, कुछ भी हो जाएगा, कोई टेंशन नहीं, हो जाएगा लास्ट में. ध्यान रखना यहाँ पे आ रहा है, लाइक दिस. लाइक दिस. This is called as a stroke, not master stroke, but call in drawing stroke as a. It will give more good, like you just spread it, but light. Okay, yeah, not dark, like this. Last you just put here as a dark, because dark pencil will give more perspective drawing. Don't worry about here going out and all that, don't worry about this, we'll rectify that in last. So like this you can make shading. सो फ्रेंड्स, अब ट्विस्ट होता है इसके अंदर, वो मैं आपको दिखाता हूँ। रुको, वेट कीजिए, वेट थोड़ा सा वेट कीजिए फ्रेंड्स, वेट कीजिए। लाइक दिस, ओके। नाउ टेक एज अ जस्ट लाइक दिस। क्लोथ लेना भूलना मत भाई, नहीं तो पेंटिंग खराब हो जाएगा। We'll take some other pencil. This is 4B, don't worry about it. आप कोई सी भी ले सकते हो, ऐसा कोई ज़रूरी नहीं है। Like this you can make. Like this you can do here also. So now just this stroke will be very light, very light. Light, dark, 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 light, 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 like this. Okay. This is second type of shading. Sorry, sir. Sorry. Like this. So light. Okay. Not very like this dark. That will damage. You can do like this. Perfect. Okay. So here we have seen here so many stroke like bad stroke. So just do one thing. This is like trick last moment. This will rectify your painting. No one can see what did you do this. Okay, like this, but this is very light. Okay, not dark, like this. Same here also. This will rectify more, like so. Friends, I hope you like this type of shading. Same here, like we have make in first square. Side कर देते थोड़ा, like this. थोड़ा ध्यान रहे कि स्केल को थोड़ा हल्का पकड़े, क्योंकि डार्क थोड़ा ज़्यादा प्रेस करने जाएंगे यहाँ से स्प्रेड हो जाएगा। ऐसे तो होता नहीं है, हो सकता है। like this. Friends, in third we'll discuss about lines, but in different way line, like this. In between some space, like this. Do some fast, like this. Okay. Then this will like this. Like this. Yeah, got it. Like this. Don't worry about it. कुछ हो जाएगा तो कोई टेंशन नहीं। So friends, you can see here I make here so many lines like this. You can do. मेरा यहाँ पे स्पेस कम है, like this. Okay. Like this we can make, friend. This is a new type of shading. You can use here some dark pencil also, like I'm using like this. Which 6B is this? Like this. Like you can also make here. So like this you can make a friend a simple shading. So now like same we have done. This will rectify your shading more good. लास्ट में फ्रेंड्स ये जरूर करना, और ज़रूरी भी है, ऐसे बोल सकते हैं अपन, क्योंकि बोलते ना बहुत अच्छा है तो इसकी वजह से, तो लाइक दैट। सो यहाँ पे थोड़ा ओके, करेक्ट, ओके। So friends, now we'll see some new shading. So here we'll make some new shading. Sorry friends, my shadow will disturb you, just wait, okay. So now you can see here like this, we can make, but it's more probably dark only, because dark will give more good scene. Like this you can make more. So please now, like in second one we have some twist, here also twist, make it, okay, like this friend, like this friends we can make. Now we have twist, do some shading here, some shading, okay, not more, but it should be some dark. Just do not forget this, please remember this is only twist of our painting. So you can do in whole, but dark, light, light. This is our formula, we can say. Like in max we are studying formulas, no? Like that we have to study. So friends, like this we can make this new technique. So here we will make new technique. Let's start like this. But first you have to make dark. You can see here which I have made. From here you have to just make light, like this. Friends, you can make so many shading from this. You just refer this shading, 3 of them. You can make more and more and more. मैं आपको श्योर बोलता हूँ 6 के बाद 7th आप खुद ही बना लोगे, इतना याद रखो। खाली एक चीज़ याद रखो, बस कि सिर्फ डार्क से लाइट जाना है, ना कि लाइट से डार्क। Okay friends, like this. So friends, you can see here, yeah, I have completed here this setting. So now last is my best favorite, and you just see with the proper eyes, not with the naked eyes, okay. You just take a simple pencil like this and put here and come circles like this in one shade, not in a wait and do like here, not here, like that, okay, like this, like spring we can say, yeah, spring, but in one shade, okay. कभी डार्क कर दिया, कभी लाइट कर दिया, not like this. We'll rectify in last, don't worry, like this. Do some line dark, feel light, like that, okay. Finish. So friends, I will make sure this type of shading I will make more and more. Just like this video, subscribe more and more, share. If you have any doubt related this shading, you can comment in my section. So how you make shading different type of with the one pencil, and I will show you in my next lecture light to dark shading. Okay friends, thank you for watching my video. Thank you.